guys, it's Shannon. I really contemplated whether I wanted to do this video or not because it's obviously not sort of my style for this channel where I do more builds and crafts and DIYs, but I guess this one could be considered a DIY, right? It's just highly requested, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I turn this crazy mess into what you usually see me in my like Quick Tip Tuesdays or my intros. And just to kind of give you some background, I use this Desert Essence shampoo. This is actually the heat protectant that I put on my hair before I blow dry it and before I use my straightener, use my curling iron, but I also use the same brand shampoo and conditioner, Desert Essence. So this is actually more of a natural product. It is 100% vegan, wheat, gluten, of course, and silicone free. This stuff smells so good. I love the smell of coconut, and this has a really great coconut smell. So basically, I wash my hair with shampoo and conditioner, and then I blow dry it straight, which, as you can see, it's not really straight, but I blow dry it as straight as I can the night before, and then the next day is when I actually curl it or straighten it. Because my hair I have a lot of hair. I have a lot of hair. People have asked me, do I have extensions in? No, I don't. This is all my hair. It's actually naturally curly or wavy. If I just wash it and put some gel in it, it will kink up and curl up. And so that's what you see in it right now, is just that curl that doesn't want to go away. But straightening does help, and the curling iron does help as well. So now I am just gonna brush it out really good and spray on this. I always shake it up really good. And then just lightly spray, and like I said, I have a lot of hairs that kind of get in there and get the back, and just make sure my hair is protected from the heat. It will, even just this little bit of moisture will make some of that curl come out of my hair, but it does dry pretty quick. So just brush it again, and then I use, it's just a cheapy curling iron. It's Revlon brand. I got it from Walmart. I want to say it was under $20, and it's a 1-inch size. Sometimes I wish I had like a 3/4 inch. But this seems to work okay. I have these bangs that I haven't cut in a while. I think I'm gonna grow them out so that they're not in the way. But I usually grab these first, and I don't really curl them, but I straighten them with my curling iron. Get them shined up, and then I go in and I have all these layers. I told my hairstylist to give me lots of texture, and holy moly, I guess that's what you could call it. She gave me these layers that are just kind of not blended well. I don't know, I'm not that happy with it. I don't get my hair cut that often. I usually get my hair cut like once or twice a year. I just don't like getting my hair cut. It's painful because I have so much hair, and a lot of people don't know how to cut my hair, and they just like brush it to death, and it tangles easily. So I just don't enjoy going to get my hair done. So I'm just curling it up now with my curling iron. Let it sit for just a little bit and pull it down. Let me show you. So you're gonna kind of pull my layers out and work in sections like that. So alright. So what I do is I run it down first, kind of straighten it, and then I grab the end and roll under, and I roll about 3 times up. I don't roll all the way up. I usually just roll so the bottom half of my hair is curly, not the top half. So let it sit for a little bit and then just pull it down so it's kind of these banana curls. And then I just do this until I get to the other side. So I'll speed this up because this takes a long time. I want to say it probably takes me over half an hour, maybe 45 minutes sometimes, depending on how picky I get with my layers. And so I'm just gonna speed this up so you guys can watch me do this whole big full head of hair. Alright, so I've done like more than half my hair. So I kind of do for my part back, in the back, and then start working on this half. And this half I do a little bit differently. So, let me get some of my layers out here. And this one, I actually kind of hold my curling iron upside down and use my thumb. And I still straighten it out, but I pull it down and I roll it up. It's kind of backwards. This side, the curls are going this way, and when I do it this way, the curls go that way instead of them all going the same way. So it kind of frames your face out. Again, I just roll up about 3 times and the curls go this way. And this side, they go this way. My whole hair curled, but now I'm going to go back and there's some pieces that kind of need some extra attention, and I'll just kind of fix those spots. Alright, and then since I have these shorter layers, I come back in and pull some of them out from the top, and those I curl tight and all the way up. Finally done curling, and then what I like to do is just not brush it out, but just kind of incorporate it so it's not all separated. Just run my fingers through it a little bit, and then I take an aerosol hairspray, and I don't like go crazy with it. It's just a little bit to tack it down. I like hairsprays that are not extreme hold, they're just kind of a little hold. And then I like to give my roots a little boost. Dry a little bit. And then kind of lift it. I am not a hairstylist. This is just what works for me. This is not a beauty channel. This may be the one and only beauty related anything I do on this channel, but you guys all really make lots of comments on my hair and ask a lot of questions. So I'm just doing this for you guys. Hopefully it will help some of you and answer some of those questions. What I love, like obviously curling your hair takes a lot of time. This has taken over 30 minutes. But what I like about it, and if you can do it, my hair luckily can handle it because it's so thick, but I can get 3 days out of this. So taking 30 extra minutes one day saves me time the next 2 days. So what I end up doing, so I'll have a nice head of hair the first day, and then the second day I leave it down again. And it's not as nice because obviously you sleep on it and go through your day with it, but it's still nice enough for me to wear down. And then the third day I'll throw some dry shampoo in it, and I'll do like an up messy bun. So for 30 minutes to get 3 days worth of hair, sometimes it's just worth the effort. So that is how I do my hair. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you guys would like to see me do a messy bun, how I do my messy bun, leave me a comment below. If you guys have more tips for me or a way I can preserve this for, make it look even nicer for the next day, let me know in the comments below. Also hit the subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. They're probably not gonna be beauty videos like this one. I do lots of craft stuff, Dollar Tree stuff, Dollar Tree hauls, decor, home tours, that kind of thing. Hit the bell as well so that you get notified when my videos do go live. Also, go over on my Instagram, my social media, and see what I'm doing. I do all kinds of stuff over there that's kind of behind the scenes. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.